thank you. If any more questions, I'm happy to take offline. Okay. Thank you, Tanvir bhai. Thanks all for your time. It's official, yes. So this application is official, and using OpenAI, we have to subscribe to it. We have to take keys, API keys, so that there's a cost for that one. But otherwise, everything is official. It's official by WhatsApp, official by OpenAI. Sorry, India what?
All right. All right. Wow. Sorry, I didn't mean that. I think we can continue, otherwise we will. Thank you. And it is, mashallah, absolutely stunning when I heard the progress Jafar Bhai made, how simply he used OpenAI, put the client's content in, and let the customer talk in a human way. And this has been a problem in our, the commercial industry, that when you talk to the virtual bots, they are paying to talk. But when you put AI in there, it is more humanly, or natural language processing is almost the next level. Now we have got the second demo, and this demo is from my daughter, Mariam. And as a matter of fact, AI is kind of now living in our home. And this is, I would expect that everyone, probably that's how we can create an atmosphere that your kids, your family members start using it, talk about it. So what happened that she, in the last school holidays, she was free and she was asking, she wanted to do something, and I say, okay, go download Cursor. I was so busy, she downloaded it and started working. She never coded a single line of code ever, and she still cannot code. She is demonstrating what she has done. This is a small piece of another software she's working, but this is a small demo that she has done that good enough to demonstrate what our youth who have never done programming can achieve. You are on.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. So majorly what I did was I wanted to do something for students in which they can, understand websites, notes, sites, anything with ease. So I came up with this, it was literally today. I sat down with my dad and I was like, I need to find something to present today. So I started working with Cursor and I came up with the idea of a Chrome extension named Study Lens. So as you can see here, I have a little button over here. Obviously, I added it to my Chrome extension. So for example, I'm studying economics, I'm in year 11, and let's say, for example, I needed help understanding inflation. So I just opened a website explaining a small bit of inflation, and then I open this, and let's say I ask it to explain inflation in short terms. So basically, it's a basis idea in which I want to, inshallah, expand more. So where people can, just understand, like for students mostly, learn, understand on the spot rather than, opening a new tab, going to ChatGPT. ChatGPT doesn't explain right, can you explain like this? So it's just short and concise and easy to access. Now, for example, like this gives a pretty basis idea. And I basically worked with GenSpark, as you can see. I kept asking, oh, can I change the UX, like the design of the extension? Because obviously, design matters for aesthetic appearance. Oh, GenSpark or Cursor? I started with GenSpark. I'm pretty sure I started with GenSpark. Actually, no, I started with ChatGPT. I work with ChatGPT as well. I cannot forget that. So I started actually, instead of typing, I opened my phone and I just started speaking to ChatGPT. One key thing that I would like to share is speaking with AI is 100 times better because you have a train of thought, you just keep going and going and going, you just keep speaking, and then you let AI work its magic. So I started off just continuously just I asked I need to make a Chrome extension where students can employ it on any website page or whatever they're using, so they can either chat, research about a specific topic, and have an AI chatbot to discuss with. So we kept discussing for quite a while, and we came up with the code. I have literally no idea what the code was, but I knew what I had to do was go and put all this basis code in Cursor. So let's go to Cursor for a second. So you can see how I have a project open in Cursor called Study Lens, the name of the extension, and I just started working throughout it, and yeah. So I just kept asking, oh, can I add this? Can I add that? Now, one thing I will admit is that working with Cursor, you do need patience because it, in a way, takes time to process what you actually want, and you have to make your request really clear. So basically, I just keep working and working, experimenting. I did want to add a FAQ function in which commonly frequently asked questions and where people can access get a basic idea. But majorly, what I would say is the basis idea of this was just like it wasn't for business. It's just free. I just want anyone who could require it, need it, use it with ease. And I guess that's pretty much it. So, um, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. I was not like trying to make it too complex because I understand students whenever they see something complex they become lazy and like, oh, I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to use it. So alhamdulillah, I did accomplish this today.
Just a bit summarizing it, what happened in here is, right, it is extracting the content of the page, talking with OpenAI in the background and live. Whatever you put it, like my favorite thing to experiment with, say, can you convert the page into FAQs? Can you add some examples when you're converting it into FAQs? So it's just my imagination. Can you create a quiz out of that page so that I can learn faster? Now, because behind the scene AI is working, and this Chrome extension is essentially getting the data from this page and sending it to the OpenAI, and we can select DeepSeek, whatever LLM. And in terms of building, she didn't write a single line of code. It's all based on prompt. Prompt GenSpark particularly, I will be showing that. It's one of my favorite. It is very expensive. Very expensive means $40, $50 you would have to spend a month. Not too expensive in that sense. But in other words, it tells you what needs to be done and how it needs to be done. So that's the take that I would appreciate if people go and experiment a bit more with GenSpark, because under the hood it uses multiple LLMs. So thank you. So I would love to then show a bit more about GenSpark. I mean, we are not going to spend, of course, time with ChatGPT. Sorry. We are not going to spend too much time with ChatGPT, or because we know that everyone is using it. What something is different, we would love to show. Now, when I go to I want to show you another thing that I built with GenSpark today. So now, this is a kind of a game, you can say, Riddle Master. So the way it is working, remember, I think in Urdu people would know Naam Cheez Jaga Janwar. We used to play. So I was thinking, what can I do for the demo? So that maybe I can convert Naam Cheez Jaga Janwar into a game. So what it is putting it here is places, personalities, things, and animals. So if I go to say animals, so I'm missing the data file there. However, that's an interesting part of the other part of the demo. I hope that is work. What I have here, I will show you, but let me first fix it. Sorry, I had a bit of a struggle running the mouse. What I'm doing now, what I did with the Chrome extension, I uploaded about 50 riddles. Now, probably the last minute change I did, and it cannot find the file, so it was giving me an error. But what I also have it, live riddle generation from AI. So now I'm switching to AI mode. And now I'll go back. Now it is asking AI live for a riddle. I'll try to read. I'm known for my hops and can make you feel light. I come in a can or a bottle. Well, that doesn't look like the good thing for here. So I won't complete it because I know where it is heading. This is a very interesting part, and it's a good that we have this problem. This is called model training. So when I create my AI models, by